Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat. Put your head up here so they can see you. Say hi. So today we have one of Miss Callie Cat's favorite boxes, and that is the CatLadyBox. I'm so excited. I love the CatLadyBox. It is the perfect box for anybody who loves cats. You can even get a bigger version that has stuff for your cats in it. So that would be the Crazy Cat Lady box because we're crazy about kitties and I love it. That's the one I get. Now if you want to get the base box that just has 3 or 4 items for us cat ladies, that will cost you $34.99 a month. If you want to get the Crazy Cat Lady box, which has the 3 or 4 items for us cat ladies and a couple items for the kitties, that will cost you $39.99 a month. So yeah, super excited. Somebody is craving the attention today. I think she knows I'm going somewhere later. But I just had to open this box. I couldn't wait. Callie couldn't wait. She was all rubbing on the box while I was holding it, trying to make the thumbnail. She's like, "Ooh, what is that up there?" She's not gonna do it now because I said something. Anyway, let's open the box. I love this box. You can get anything from kitchen stuff that's cat related, bathroom stuff, clothing, all kinds of cute little cat related items. I also love this box because it is a box that gives back. They donate every month to different shelters and things. They pick an artist to promote for their cards. All that stuff will be in here. It'll tell you all that. I'll read it to you just so you know. Oh, look at the card this month, y'all. Some cute artists. So this is from their artist of the month, who is Amy Beth Payne. Amy Beth G. Payne, supah at supah.com, is a cat-centric painter living and working in Metro Detroit. She publishes a highly professional business cat calendar every year and currently runs her own kitty portrait themed retail space in Ferndale, Michigan. Inside the Rust Belt Market, supahmarket.com, Insta at supah, S-U-P-A-H. So that's neat. She has her own calendar and her own little portrait studio. That's pretty cool. They tell you who they gave to last month in here. So this is who they gave to last month. And it's Lost Souls Cats Rescues, Shreveport, Bossier Animal Rescue, Community Cats for Palm Coast, Pitter Patter Feline Rescue. So isn't that cute? I love that they do that. By the way, this is the July 2022 box. This is what it looks like on the inside, and we are gonna open it. Oh goodness, y'all, look at all the kitty goodness. Love all the kitty goodness. I don't even know where to grab first. Let's just go for clothing. You know I love clothing. Purple, oh beautiful. Feline Purralysis. It's a noun. It is the condition in which a person is unable to move due to the presence of a cat on their lap. This is brilliant. I love this. I do wish it was a V-neck, but I do get it in extra large. It does fit me big and loose. I probably could go to a large on these. I think I actually did mention that to him at one point. I'm going to have to look at that again. If I can't remember, how can I expect them to? But anyway, that is super cute. So here's the shirt I got from the CatLadyBox. It is almost as long as my shorts, but it is cute. I mean, just a little knot or something would fix that, or you could tuck it in. It's a cute little shirt, y'all. Super cute. You know I love colors. It says, if you've ever been stuck because you had a cat in your lap and didn't want to disturb them, you've had feline Purralysis. The value is $19.99. That is too cute. So look at this, y'all. Hang on, let me take it out. Look at the cuteness. It's a little basket with ears. Oh my goodness. It's too cute. Look at the little ears. Okay, so this is the cute woven cat basket. All natural woven cat basket is the perfect size to organize small things or for your cat to sit in. Callie, I don't think you'll fit in this thing, honey. You still overweight. Valued at $18.99. This is super cute. It would look adorable sitting anywhere with anything in it. I mean, you could put this anywhere. I was debating on what I would put in it, and I haven't the slightest. I mean, I could see you putting like wash rags in it in a bathroom. I could see you putting like little fruit in it for your kitchen. Even putting the cat toys in it, you know, and letting them pick their toy out of it. Very cute. All right, let me move on. All right, ceramic cat coin bank. Oh, this is perfect. So my husband is always like, I don't want the change. I don't want the change. What do you do with it? It's just heavy. And I'm like, well, put it in the vase. We'll put it in the vase, and then when something comes around for church or something, we'll count it up, and that'll be our give money. You know, a little extra happy. And now I've got a kitty bank. Oh, that's just too cute. It's got the cat lady emblem on the bottom. Of course, that comes out to get your money out. This is adorable. Save your coins in this cute ceramic kitty, maybe for a cat treat, fund for your kitties. This is a value of $14.99. This is adorable. That is too cute. All right, so the next thing in here is the world's best cat little coffee cup. Ooh, look at that. Mug catnip toy. Who has the world's best cat? We all do, of course. But yours are extra best, valued at $4.99. That is just too cute. What do you think, Callie Cat? She's like ignoring me. Oh, hello. And she's like, oh, it smells good. It smells good. Must have. Look at this one. It's a cute little fuzzy bow tie. Wild Things catnip bow tie toy. The most fashionable toy around, stuffed with potent nip and perfectly sized for pouncing, valued at $4.99. This thing is just too super cute. Callie is going to town on this other one. She's like, must have toy. Hey, look, I got another one. It matches you. Are you drunk already? She's like out of it all of a sudden. Woo, woo, woo. Another. So thank you, CatLadyBox. My cats love your toys. I love your products. I'm so glad I found this box. It is just too cute. They do say we can share our pictures on #CatLadyBox or CatLadyBox Day. So if you want to go look up and see all the pictures of the kitties playing with the toys, that would be fun. If you want to try this box, I do not have any like associate links or affiliates or any of that kind of thing, but I will send you to the website. It's just their webpage down below in the description with all of the other good stuff. You know, all the details, all the deets. But I think I told you everything. So I'm going to let this kitty play with her catnip toys, and I'm going to go have lunch with my sisters. Because one of them is turning the big 5-0. Yeah. Anyway, what? Was I whispering? She's like, you're interrupting me. You silly girl. Put the bow on you. You look cute with the little bow. Y'all, thank you for spending time with me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.